Reservety Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at Reservety, an all-in-one booking and rental platform tailored for businesses of all sizes. If you're interested in trying it out, the links to the platform are available in the description. Let's dive in. Reservety stands out as a robust solution for businesses that require not just appointment bookings, but also rental management. It's ideal for industries like equipment rentals, party supplies, furniture, and event spaces. The platform's core strength lies in its flexibility, enabling you to customize nearly every aspect to suit your specific business needs. One of the key features is its intuitive online storefront. Reservety allows you to create a professional-looking website that integrates seamlessly with the booking and rental system. The interface is user-friendly, ensuring a smooth experience for both business owners and customers. You can display your products or services, showcase availability, and enable instant bookings directly from the platform. Payment processing is straightforward, with integrations for popular gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Authorize.net, ensuring secure and convenient transactions. You can set up flexible payment options, including deposits, full payments, and recurring billing, which is especially useful for subscription-based models or long-term rentals. For inventory management, Reservety excels with real-time tracking, so you always know what's available and what's already booked. This minimizes errors and ensures efficient use of resources. You can also set pricing rules, discounts, and seasonal rates, providing a personalized touch to your offerings. The platform supports automated email and SMS notifications, helping to reduce no-shows and keep your customers informed. Additionally, Reservety offers integration with third-party tools like Google Calendar, QuickBooks, and Zapier, enabling seamless management across different business operations. Mobile compatibility ensures that your customers can book or rent on the go, while the admin panel allows you to manage your business from anywhere. Analytics and reporting features provide valuable insights into sales, customer behavior, and overall performance, helping you optimize your strategy. In conclusion, Reservety is a versatile and powerful platform perfect for businesses looking to streamline their booking and rental operations. Its blend of customization, automation, and integrations makes it a great choice for scaling your business efficiently. For more details, check the links in the description and explore how Reservety can transform your operations.